Welcome to Review Source. When precision matters and every fastener counts, having the right tool makes all the difference. Whether you're working on vehicles, bikes, machinery, or delicate equipment, accuracy isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best electric screwdriver kits, chosen for their reliability, ease of use, accuracy, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 1. HOTO PixelDrive Electric Screwdriver. The HOTO PixelDrive is a modern, feature-rich tool designed for DIY fans and precision repairs. Its smart display is the main event here, giving you real-time visibility of torque levels and battery status. It basically removes the guesswork from every job. With 6 torque settings ranging from 0.5 to 6 Nm, it adapts to everything from electronics to furniture assembly. The dual-speed trigger adds another layer of control, letting us switch between 80 RPM for precision and 200 RPM for faster driving. We're getting a 30-bit set tucked into a triple-layer cylinder, which keeps things organized. It's got a 2000 mAh battery that provides dependable runtime, and USB-C charging makes it easy to top off anywhere. The 360-degree LED light is a nice touch for working in dim spaces. Overall, this screwdriver delivers a solid combination of smart features and performance. It's a great mid-range option for anyone who values control.
Number 2. Fanttik S-A01 Apex Electric Screwdriver. The Fanttik S-A01 Apex is engineered for precision and ergonomics, making it a great fit for home or professional use. Its standout feature is the adjustable torque system with 8 different settings. This lets us fine-tune performance based on the task, so we don't strip screws. The integrated display provides real-time feedback, which is always a plus. The folding design is the real winner here, offering 4 adjustable angles. It significantly improves usability in tight or awkward spaces and reduces hand fatigue during long sessions. We're getting dual-speed functionality with 100 RPM for controlled work and 250 RPM for faster applications. Powered by a 2500 mAh battery, it delivers extended runtime that outlasts most smaller kits. The build quality feels robust, and the controls are intuitive, even for beginners. This model is particularly appealing if you prioritize ergonomic design and precise torque management. It's a versatile tool that handles awkward angles without drama. It's a smart pick for anyone tired of bulky drivers. It gets the job done quickly and feels solid in the hand.
Number 3. DEWALT DWHT66719 Screwdriver. The DEWALT DWHT66719 reflects the brand's reputation for durability and professional-grade performance. This isn't a toy for light hobby work. With a powered torque output of 5 Nm and a manual capability reaching 14 Nm, it offers massive flexibility for driving and final tightening. The 360 RPM no-load speed ensures quick work, making it the fastest tool on our list for repetitive assembly. Its 6-stage torque adjustment allows us to match power levels to the job, helping prevent damage to materials or screws. The soft start feature enhances control, which is vital for delicate tasks. Equipped with a 2 amp-hour battery, it can handle up to 680 screws per charge, which is impressive. The quick load collet simplifies bit changes and keeps the workflow moving. It's a high-end choice for those who need consistent power and durability for demanding projects. It's rugged, fast, and feels like it belongs on a job site.
Number 4. Fanttik S2 Pro Max Electric Screwdriver. The Fanttik S2 Pro Max is built for a balance of power, precision, and portability. Its MagnaStorm motor provides up to 6 Nm of torque, making it capable of handling household tasks from furniture to appliances. The hybrid torque control system offers 7 settings, allowing for smooth transitions between delicate and heavy-duty work. A unique feature is the 90-degree angle adapter, which improves access in hard-to-reach spots. The one-press pop-out design is convenient and keeps the tool compact in your drawer. It includes 16 long bits that are actually useful for most household tasks. The 2000 mAh battery delivers solid runtime, and the 250 RPM speed supports efficient operation without losing control. It feels premium and well thought out. Overall, this model is a strong contender for users who want a compact yet capable screwdriver with clever design features. It's a budget-friendly way to get professional results on everyday repairs. We like how it doesn't overcomplicate things while still giving us the power we need. It's a solid, reliable choice for any home toolkit.
Number 5. HOTO S-A01 Electric Screwdriver. The HOTO S-A01 is tailored specifically for precision work, like electronics and small-scale repairs. Its 3 intelligent torque presets are perfect for delicate tasks, like smartphones or eyewear. It features built-in auto stop protection to prevent over-tightening, which is a lifesaver for fragile tech. The compact design and lightweight aluminum housing make it incredibly portable and easy to handle. A standout feature is the Starling shadow-free illumination system, providing consistent lighting for intricate work. It's powered by an 800 mAh battery, offering about 60 minutes of continuous runtime. While it's not a heavy-duty tool, it's a specialist in its field. The magnetic storage system neatly organizes all 56 included S2 steel bits, making it a comprehensive kit for hobbyists. It excels in precision and ease of use, making it our top choice for detailed repair work rather than assembling furniture. This thing is a beast for techies who need accuracy over raw power. It's sleek, reliable, and does exactly what it's supposed to do without any extra fluff. It's a great pick for small repairs. And that wraps up the top 5 best electric screwdriver kits. We hope this breakdown helped you decide which tool belongs in your drawer or workshop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.